this VocBench training session, we will see the two collaborative features of VocBench, the history and the validation. Access VocBench, select the project from the list of projects, and click on Data. If you make any modification in VocBench and if the validation tool is enabled, you will see the new modifications in green. So here I see in the list of concepts the green test concept and the test child concept. It means that these two concepts are not validated yet. As VocBench is a collaborative tool and multiple users have access to the same project and they can work together on the same data, they can and they should also validate each other's work. To apply the 4I principle and to ensure the data quality and to avoid any mistakes made on the editing, we suggest to validate each other's work. So if you go to the validation tab, which is on the top row, you can see the list of modifications applied in the project. These are still pending, and you can see which user did the modifications in what date. And if you click on the ID of the modification, you will also see the details. So what was added, at what time, what is the scheme, what are the details of the modification. You can also directly click on the URI of the concept, so in the subject column. And you can also see the modification directly there. It opens the whole concept that was modified. Or if you would like to see also the details, you can click on the three dots in the other parameters. And also here you will see what was added. In this case, it's a comment. So it's an RTFS comment with this value that was added to this concept. And now you can decide whether to validate or reject this action. So in the last column in the action, if you expand the button, you can accept or reject the modification. So if you click on accept and if you validate, then the action will be valid. Let's see now. To create a test concept, I will accept this modification, I will validate. And if I go back to data, I have to update the page with this refresh button. And I see that the test concept that was added is in black. So it's already validated and I don't have to further validate. But if I click on the concept, still a few details will be pending, such as adding the preferred labels or the definitions, because I didn't validate those. Everything that is validated can be seen in the history of the project. So here you will see all the details that were created since the creation of the project, by the timestamp, by who did the modification, and then you can also see the validated actions.